Hello guys, welcome back again. So in this video I will show you how to stop ads in Android phone or Chrome browser. So let's go and change the settings. So after changing the setting you will never show the ads again, irritating ads again. So first you have to open the Chrome browser and then tap on these three dots, and then you have to tap on the settings, and you have to go to the scroll down and then advanced, and then you have to click on site setting. And once you just click on the site setting, just scroll down, and here you see pop-ups and redirects. You have to tap on this pop-up and redirects, then you have to close, just turn off this, go back, and then you have to turn off intrusive ads. So you have to turn off this, and here you go. Now you just turn off both of these things, and I hope you will never see irritating and frustrating ads again and again, and pop-ups as well. So if you like our video, just subscribe my channel. Thank you so much guys. Bye bye.